What is going on, everybody? It is Tristan here, and today I'm here with a short and simple video that will hopefully be able to help some people out. But from what I got going on here, at least, we're going to be discussing how you guys can cop the Air Jordan 1 High bleached coral, not the Air Jordan 1 Low. You may have seen my video recently on how to cop the low. Well, actually, the Jordan 1 High version of the shoe, which is also known as the Jordan 1 OG Stage HAZE. That's the name I'll probably put in the title, is also dropping on the same day, and it's pretty much the Jordan 1 High version of this sneaker, of the original Jordan 1 Low, the bleached coral one that's pink, but obviously this one isn't pink. We'll get into all the details. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to mention. Check my screen record, and anything y'all can see on the screen, it is there. And feel free, of course, you can check me out there. I'll be posting some stuff in my story today. But you guys can subscribe and like for more content like this. Of course, like cool. I'll keep it simple. It helps your boy out way more than you know. Let's try and hit 262 likes on this video. There we go. I know I've asked for it before, but 262 likes. Let's see if you can do it. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, that's everything I need to say. I hope you guys will enjoy. And let's kind of get started on discussing how to cop the OG1 Stage HAZE. So first thing I want to mention about this sneaker right off the bat, as you guys can see, thank you to Nike for not making the retail 180. It is 170. I know there hasn't been Jordan 1s yet at 180, but that is coming soon apparently. So just, kind of expect that. I think they've already done it on a couple pairs, but I could be wrong on that. But don't forget, July 2nd, 10 a.m. Eastern time, that is when this one is releasing. And you guys can see this one doesn't look anything like the low version. Again, the low version is kind of like a pink type color. It's not, like this one right here. That's why, hence, I was kind of confused why this one was originally called the Jordan 1 High Bleached Coral, as you guys can see on the screen. But the real name for it, the actual name that people are calling it, is the OG Stage HAZE. So just kind of take that into account. These are the Stage HAZE ones. And one thing I want to mention about this is going to be mainly a personal pair. You can probably see the little influence from the low on the inside of the sneaker. You probably just saw that. But yeah, aside from that, and the material, of course, that they chose to use, a little bit of suede right there, some grade school pairs also, which I would entirely avoid grade school pairs, and honestly smaller sizes, like sizes below 9 on this sneaker if you're trying to make any sort of profit. I see this sneaker honestly being a brick. It is dropping at a lot of locations. It's going to be one of those shoes that probably sits at, we've had a couple ones recently sitting at like finish lines, different places like that. This is one of those ones that may do that just because demand, it's not there fully. Ones are not in right now. The market is not there. People are not paying the high for ones. They're paying high on 4s and on other pairs, and they're very particular about what type of pairs. Like, go look at the infrareds. Not doing well. So people are picky right now. People are looking for simple to wear, which, this is a simple to wear colorway, so that could be one reason why it would do well. But there's been plenty of other simple to wear, Jordan 1 Highs. Like, the model of the sneaker does matter, but right now, again, people are looking for hype, but they're also looking for easy ones to wear. Hence, again, I mentioned in a few videos, plenty of videos actually, I'm not going to mention it, or try not to mention it too much more. I know I will, but yeah, we have the release for, what is it, the reverse mocha is coming sometime in July, so stay tuned for that. That'll be something. And there's going to be a lot behind that. Again, people are going to be putting their money up. That's going to be probably the next one of those releases that performs, kind of holds steady, maybe goes slightly up on the market. In my opinion, that's it's a good time that they're dropping it at the right time. That's all I'm going to say. The month of July could potentially be filled with a lot of Nike stuff and the Off-White collaboration. Don't forget, we could be seeing something like that with the Air Force One. But yeah, aside from that, again, it's a nice colorway. It hits well in hand. It really does. But ones just aren't in, so it's not going to perform how many people would probably, well, not even right now, but a lot of people aren't expecting ones to perform well. But compared to something like maybe early 2020, 2021, these aren't going to be performing quite, like Jordan 1 would then. So aside from that, some resell. If you guys, again, are interested in the shoe to resell, I do have something. I actually did sell something through StockX, which I'm probably going to, told you how much I don't like selling stuff through StockX because it's always risky. And it is a lower tier item. It's an NBA dunk, but I'll probably end up canceling, the sale or something like that if I can. I don't like doing that, but I'll probably email support because some of you guys are messaging me about, that pair. But aside from that, looking at what this pair resell for and not getting off topic, again, bigger sizes you get, better you kind of be, and that's kind of what I recommend for this release right here, because after shipping and tax you'll probably be paying around 190, higher end to 180, something like that. So kind of taking that into account, you're not going to be wanting to go for sizes under 11, it looks like, or under, I would say under 10 and a half. 10 and a half plus is the sizes I would target. I wouldn't go under 10 and a half. So just understanding that. This shoe is personally one, here's what I'll say right now, personally one where I feel like it's at your own risk to go for. You can go for it, right? So it's really just up to you, because it's either you're not going to make a lot from it, or you'll make something from it, you know, at least some profit, which is, again, I would take profits if you can in this sneaker the second it lands in hand, if you get a bigger size. And that's my personal opinion on this one is, you see the prices on the screen, this one's probably going to drop down to a range, I'll pop it up, probably to a range of around 190 to 210, and I will put a plus on the 210 because I think bigger sizes above 10.5 could maybe stay at 210, maybe drop a little bit below, but I think most will kind of stay above that range at, you know, higher prices by like 220, 230. So that's just kind of my thoughts and opinion on the whole thing. You know, what I really think. So yeah, I think it'll resell decently, but at your own risk type of thing to go for it, may not make you some profit. The only place that I'll be targeting this one on really is Snkrs. I mean, just because Nike has free returns, so of course any Nike based site I'm gonna be, you know, going for it on, because I can make some maybe small profit on the big sizes, and if I don't end up making anything, it bricks super hard, I just return it, get my money back. Not a big deal. But aside from that right there, a couple other things I want to leave down below for you guys. This video right here and this one right here. This video shows you how to make multiple accounts and operate them properly, like how to use multiple payment methods across accounts, how to actually set up, you know, multiple accounts, like what it takes to really do that. So if you guys are interested in any sort of video or any type of content like that, then this video will be down below in the description. And this one just kind of discusses like some recent Snkrs issues, like, you know, not being able to log into like your new accounts. I'm gonna stop saying the word like so much. I don't know, I'm like a 13-year-old girl saying that word every 5 seconds. But yeah, aside from that, this one just discusses some of the recent issues. So if you've been having problems with checking out in Snkrs, anything like that, that's what this video discusses. Mainly like checkout errors, not being able to process stuff right at like the draw time, things like that. And we'll be right back in a second here. I'm gonna end the screen record naturally because it looks like my camera's about to die, so we're gonna restart. And of course, back here with part 2, I gotta give a huge shout out right here to start it off to my guys at Secret Sauce. They are a $60 monthly fee, and I do want to discuss a couple things that they provide. Of course, I've been in the works with these guys, trying to work something maybe out for you all in the future. Aside from what my guys got here, basically they have a screen recording right here. Not they have, but this is a screen recording I took in the chat the other day, kind of showing you all just a run through of all the success. And this is just on like one day, and you can see it continues on. I showed you all this is from my last videos, so you guys can see that right there. And it's not just you know, general shoe success. There's people hitting on PS5s, different items that, you know, resell. Like it'll be random profits. Like they even discuss it on their Twitter. Like here you go. Here's like a recent play they did. So $17 purchase. You could have bought, you know, 3 per person, and right now they're selling at $55, $80 a pop. So that's $240 profit just for entering your info and selling within the Secret Sauce chat. So kind of understanding that. They've also in their chat been providing a lot of like, you know, random kind of daily giveaways, like where they'll provide like a foam runner for retail, Travis Scott Air Max for retail, or just free items. So it's not just, you know, again, you know, the basic information you may be getting for, you know, shock drops and things like that. It's actually a wide variety of things. So if you're interested in checking out my guys at Secret Sauce, just go to their Twitter right here, send them a message on Twitter, be like, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? I'm interested in kind of what you guys have to offer. But for now, check them out down below. Let them know I sent you. And hopefully that was good, clear, understandable right there. If you guys have any questions about them, let me know down below, and they'll be, of course, at the top of the description right there. But as I said, this pair right here, the OG Stage HAZE Jordan 1, could be a pair that sits heavily, because look at all these places this shoe is dropping at. That is no joke. I mean, there's a raffle at Monier, Social Status. I mean, you got Champs, Dick's, Finish Line. Like this is when you know a shoe has heavy stock, is when it drops at pretty much every place it can drop. And it already had its EU release, and here's where the prices are sitting after the Europe release. So kind of understanding that prices only can pretty much drop further with more stock kind of coming in. So understanding that, I mean, again, the shoe is at your own risk. I'm personally only targeting 10.5, maybe 11 plus even. Like, I'm going to be pretty particular if I even decide to go for this one. I just feel like there's a lot of risk behind it, and it might not be worth it to have money held up like that for only maybe a $20, $30 profit, when there's so many more profitable releases coming allegedly at the start of July, and then ones that are confirmed for like the 3rd week of July and things like that, reverse mochas, etc. Other fours that could potentially be dropping. So that's everything I need to mention right there, and that is how you guys could cop the Air Jordan 1 High Bleached Coral or OG Jordan 1 Stage HAZE, whatever you want to call it. Any name works, and that's everything that needs to be mentioned right there. So shout out to everyone I've mentioned in this video right here. Again, any of my Instagrams, all that will be down below. Y'all have been showing a lot of love there, so thank you guys. I really appreciate it. You know, again, I do post like on my story and things like that. I'll eventually get some sort of regular post going. I can't guarantee when that'll be, but yeah, I'll eventually post something. So just stay tuned. It will happen. It will happen. Do not worry. But well, I'm sure you guys are very concerned about when I post. Nah, I'm playing. But hopefully, I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe, like for more. Like goal, I think I don't remember if I already said that at the start of the outro, but like goal was like 262 So if you hit that, that'd be dope. 262 likes. Yeah. Yes. No. Okay. Cool. Fine. Sounds good. All right. I'm gonna end the screen recording. I'm Tristan. Much love, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.